What is up, guys? Sky here again, and today I'm going to show you how to change the visibility of content in your D2L course shell. Now, this is a slightly different function from previous versions of D2L, but it's still pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So here you are on your D2L course shell, and you're going to want to go up here to content and click on that. And that's going to bring up obviously your content, and here on the table of contents you're going to see this bulk edit button right here, and you're going to want to click that. And what that's going to allow you to do is, you can see here I have my units, all of my modules in my course shell sandbox here. And to change the visibility of a unit, I'm going to click on this little arrow to expand it, and then find this little icon that looks like a little eye. And you can see when I mouse over it, it says visible, meaning if the eye is showing like that, then that content is visible to students. Now if I click on the eye, you're going to see this little slider button. And if I click on that, then it's going to switch to an eye with a line through it. That means that it is now invisible to students. And that is really all you need to do to make something visible or invisible to students. Okay, you can click that back and forth all day long. And if the eye is showing, that means students can see it. If there's an eye with a line through it, it means they cannot. Now, with this one, I was doing that for the entire module, the entire Unit 1. You can do that for an entire module. You can do that for specific pieces of content within the module. As you can see here, all of these items have their own eyes next to them, which I can do the same thing with. If I want to make just one thing in a module invisible, or if I want to make the entire thing invisible, you can do both of that, or sorry, both of those things. And then you just click on this to collapse it, and then like I said, you can go through to any of these and expand them, play with their visibility. We'll leave that one invisible for now. And that's really all there is to it with that. Once again, as always, if you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and email at us at onlinehelp@okcu.edu.